Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate skincare routine for clear, glowing skin using simple home remedies that actually work. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk cleansing. Cleansing removes dirt and oil to keep your skin fresh. I love using honey and warm water. It's natural and gentle. Just massage it into your face for 30 seconds, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel soft and clean. Next, exfoliate. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells for smooth, glowing skin. I make a DIY scrub with coffee grounds and yogurt. Coffee boosts circulation, and yogurt exfoliates gently. Massage it onto your face for a minute, then rinse with cool water. After exfoliating, it's time to tone. Toning helps tighten pores and refresh your skin. I use rose water or cucumber juice. Both are gentle and hydrating. Apply a little with a cotton pad, and your skin will feel fresh. Now, let's hydrate. Moisturizing keeps your skin soft and smooth. I use aloe vera gel or coconut oil. Both are great for dry skin. Gently massage it into your face and neck to lock in moisture. Don't skip sunscreen. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Apply sunscreen every morning, even when you're staying inside. Choose one with at least SPF 30, and apply it to your face and neck. For an extra glow, try this turmeric and honey face mask. Mix a little turmeric with honey and yogurt, apply it to your face, and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse off, and your skin will look brighter and smoother. And that's it. Your simple skincare routine for clear and glowing skin using home remedies. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments which remedy you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.